for me, may tatlong stages yung buhay natin or yung maturity level natin. So, I will gonna tell you the 4 stages and I will discuss it for you. So, disclaimer, it is my view since pwede pong kung ano po yung para sa akin na totoo ay pwede pong hindi totoo para sa lahat. Iba-iba po kasi tayo ng experience at iba-iba po tayo ng pananaw. So, I would be happy kung magko-comment po kayo sa comment section ng iba't iba yung experience din po at ibang pananaw nyo din po sa buhay niyo. I would be glad to read it all. So, ano nga ba yung 4 stages? So, sisimulan po natin sa stage na tayo po ay nagiging crybaby. Alam niyo po ba yun? Yung tipong bawat dapa natin, bawat sakit na nararamdaman natin, pag may mga bagay na hindi natin gusto, iniiyak natin ang lahat. Yung gusto natin ilabas ang lahat, ganun. Tapos, hihingi tayo ng tulong ng mga taong nasa paligid natin, inaasahan natin. Yun po yung first stage na yung, alam mo na, kapag nadapa ka, pag umiyak ka, may someone po or may taong tutulong sa'yo at aagapay sa'yo. Yun po yung first stage na saan, ginagawa natin na, ganoon na kadali yung buhay, iyak lang ako, tapos tutulong sa akin. So, yun po yung first. Yung second stage naman po, yun po yung brave pretender. Yun po yung time na parang iniisip natin na kailangan ko nang tumayo. Mahihiya na ako pag pinagtatawanan nila ako pag nadapa ako tapos hindi ako tumayo. Kaya kadalasan pag nadadapa tayo, sinasabi na lang natin na, ay, okay naman ko. Okay lang man ko. Like, I'm just okay. I'm just fine. I can handle myself like that. So, minsan, tumatalikod tayo tapos pupunta tayo sa sulok, doon tayo umiiyak. Kasi gusto natin ipakita sa lahat na brave tayo kahit umiiyak pa rin tayo. Brave tayo kahit na nasasaktan pa rin tayo. Brave tayo kahit na gusto natin na may tumulong sa atin tapos ayaw natin na tinutulungan tayo kasi gusto natin ipakita sa kanila na kaya na natin tumayo sa sarili natin. At yung pangatlong stage po, ayun po yung sinasabi ko na po na I am a strong, independent woman. Okay? So, ito po yung stage na sinasabi na po natin sa relate natin na lalo na po pag we have enough income, we can sustain our needs. Like, we can pay for our bills and we can do, buy for the things that we want by your own money. You're earning by your own. So, you can support everyone if you want to. So, ganun po yun. Naiisip na po natin na kaya ko na to, ako na to, akin na to. Hindi nyo na ako mapipigilan kasi ganito na, mayroon na ako, I can stand with my own. So, ganun po yung iniisip ko. Kaya ko na po, ako na pong bahala, magagawa ko po to, magiging ganito po ako pagdating ng araw, kakayanin ko po lahat ng to. So, I'm just thinking that I can make everything with myself for myself and I can sustain if gusto ko po yung iba matutulungan ko na po sila because I'm thinking that I have enough. So, ganun po yun. Yun po yung third stage, yung being a strong, independent woman. Naalala ko pa noon, lagi pa ako nagpo-post sa FB, shared post po, sinasabi ko, strong, independent woman tayo, kaya natin to like that po. So, yun po yung ika-3 stage ng maturity natin or natin. Critical po yung ika-third stage po. Paano ko po ba nasabi yun? That was the time po na sumasagi na po sa isipan ko na parang hindi ko pala kaya. Yung transition po ng sa third stage pa fourth stage po, para po mahirap po ang bridge doon. Doon po yung time na parang masasabi po natin na umatake po yung anxiety, yung stress, yung depression. Doon po yung time na yun na we feel that after we thinking that we've enough, we will realize that we are not totally enough. We will just think na, oh, even if I work hard for everything, even if I do this, I do that, I can still do it. I can be still successful. It is still not enough. It is the time that we will realize that after all my things I've done, I'm not still successful and I'm just too tired. Like dito po na stage to, pag bridge po na fourth stage, ito po yung pinakahirap na akala po natin hindi na po natin survive. Na sinasabi, naghahalo na po yun, nagiging crybaby po tayo, nagiging brave pretender po tayo. Sinasabi po natin okay lang tayo kahit hindi naman talaga tayo okay. Yung gusto po natin ng may makausap, pero kaso nga po sinasabi natin, I am strong, independent woman. Kaya ayaw po natin mag-seek ng help kasi iniisip po natin na kaya ko to, ako to at kakayanin ko to. Yun po yung stage na ganyan. So, naisip niyo po na shaking po yung part nito, maalon po ang dagat ng buhay sa stage nito. Parang hindi po natin mai-imagine paano po natin mapuntahan yung fourth stage na ganito pong struggling natin sa third stage po. Talagang mahirap po talaga. Tapos kailangan mo po dito sa stage na po nito na mag-bridge ka na po between sa independent person and go to the fourth stage. Parang kailangan mo po talaga ng i-find yung sarili mo again, magsisik again. Kailangan mong i-correct yung sarili mo na mali ako. Tapos mahirap gawin na sabihin mo sa sarili mo na I've been mistaken this way because you've planned. In that third stage po, you are a kind of person that you structured everything. You plan everything. You have that kind of things that I will do this, I will do that. Then this time I will be like this time I will do this, and this time I will be like that. May mga plano po, structured po yung plan nyo at ayaw nyo pong ginigiba yun. Yun po yung sa third stage. Kasi po, sa palagay nyo po, I'm okay with this. I'm sure with this, like that po. Then, doon pag-page po natin sa fourth stage, mahirap po siya, but I'm glad po that I can able to do it with the God grace. So, yun po yung pang-apat. Yun po yung acceptance, yung faith po. Yun po yung tinatawag natin na God knows everything. So, dito na po na stage na sinusurrender po natin lahat. Sinusurrender po natin lahat kay Lord. Pinapaubaya po natin yung lahat ng mga stages na meron tayo. Yung pagiging crybaby natin, yung pagiging brave pretender natin at yung pagiging strong, independent woman natin. Ang nangyari po is that from that stage, I've just realized kasi po, pag nagpe-pray po ako hindi tayo nagpe-pray or wala po ako God pag doon sa 3 stages, pero iba po yung perspective ko sa buhay. Tapos pag dating ko po sa 4th stage na, which is I'm feeling na God knows everything. I'm just feeling na everyone has its own box. Everyone, kanya-kanya pong box. Hindi ko po kayang i-carry lahat. So I was wrong when I was crybaby na kung saan sinasabi ko po na may laging tumutulong sa akin, kailangan ko lang pong umiyak. Ano nang po kadali ang buhay, makakayanin ko na po. I was wrong with that and I'm thankful that I experienced that since I've learned from that. Dahil hindi rin po tama na magiging brave pretender po ako since hindi po tama na doon po tayo na pakita lang po natin na kaya natin kahit hindi naman po natin talaga kaya. Yung iiyak tayo sa gilid tas ipakita sa kanila na okay lang tayo, hindi tayo nasaktan pero nasaktan pa rin po talaga tayo. And in the third stage po, hindi rin po tama na magiging sabihin natin we are strong, independent woman. Based on my own, I am really mistaken in that stage since I know that without God, I am nothing and without Him, I can't be successful, Jude. And I am just very thankful that I can able to experience and notice all those stages of mine that I can able to sustain na last year I was lasted as I remember last 2023 that was a great breakdown of me and this mid 2024 I've just realized and I said my goals and one of those goals as I reread it I read one of my goals is that love God above all. So the thing is that I know that there are a lot of things that will come into me. There are lots of things that will happen unto me, but it's always God whom I really love. Then that whatever or whoever will hurt me, it's God who really loves me, and I do believe that He has a better plan for me. So I don't need to be scared. I really don't need to be worried about my future, and I don't need to regret my past because the past will not create for who will be in my future. It's me who will decide as of this moment what can I do for the future, and that's a great thing, and that's a great wisdom that I've received. That a best gift from God to me. And every day I'm just really, even there are times that I'm just still really tired to wake up. I'm just really tired to do things. But what I'm really thinking then, because God allows me to realize that it's really good and great to be alive because we all have a purpose in this world. And if He will not let us go to heaven or He will not let us go with Him, He has a better plan for us. And that plan is not to harm us nor to hurt us, but that plan is to fulfill us and to make us a strong person and strong for our goodness, for our good sake. And that is amazing wisdom from Him. And I'm so thankful that having those times, like I am now doing things, I'm working hard, and I do things that are supposed to do every day. I teach, I help others, I make them happy, and I make peace. I prioritize my peace of mind, and that's all because of Him. I just realized that all these things happen for a reason, and He has a better plan for me than my plans, and that's awesome to share then. And thank you so much for listening, and I love you all. See you next time for my next chika. Bye bye.